You know, ever since the rise of social media, a lot of people have forgotten about the simple internet forum. It's not dead, and actually, if you want to start an online business or you currently have an online business, you should be definitely giving it another look. You know, to most people, internet forums or message boards is like Igor. Just that thing down in the basement that we don't even think about. But he has spent a lot of time down there. He's been working out and now he's better than ever. Now, in this video, I want to talk to two sets of people. If you have an online business, I'm going to tell you why internet forums is something that you should definitely be taking a look at, especially in 2021. Also, if you want to start an online business, I'm going to explain to you how you can use an internet forum to help you do that. Alright, so let's say you currently have an online business. I'm going to talk about the 3 biggest ways in which you can benefit from internet forums. Right? So the first one is building a hardcore customer community. You see, internet forums, by their very nature, is a very nerdy, esoteric type thing. And because of that, the people who generally partake in them are nerdy, hardcore individuals. Now, this type of individual is somebody who will be an early adopter and somebody who will be a brand ambassador for free for your products and services. So, if you're able to actually build an internet forum that's active and maintained, having this set of people in a controlled environment allows you to check the temperature of your community and get a sense as to what their needs are and what their impression is of your products and services. Another great use of an internet forum is actually in providing customer support. And you can achieve this through that in 2 ways. Now, remember earlier, a few seconds ago actually, when I mentioned how hardcore the individuals who partake in forums are? Well, these same individuals will actually go way out of their way to provide support and help to other people in the forum, free of cost. So you're literally getting a free support team for your products and services. As well as that, of course, you are going to be actively involved in the forum. So you yourself are going to see people raising various issues and asking certain questions in the forum. So that gives you a chance to jump in and address it right away. This helps to foster a great relationship between you and your customers. And this is key in acquiring repeat business. The third benefit of having a forum is that it gives you a lot of insight into products and services that you're offering. All you need to do is peruse the forum, and chances are certain things will be illuminated to you simply based on the kind of discussions that are being had. In addition to this, it actually can help you to develop brand new products and services. How? All you need to do is ask. Remember, these people are really into your products. So simply ask them, what do you need? What would you like? And they'll tell it to you. And they'll tell you the exact price that they're willing to pay for it as well. Do you understand how powerful this can be? Now, there's actually a third way to benefit from having a forum, but I'm going to leave that to the very end because now I want to get into how you can actually benefit from internet forums or message boards, whatever you want to call it, if you're actually looking to start an online business. Now, similar to how a lot of forum users will be quick to help other users and point out various things that they like about the product, they'll be equally fast to point out things they don't like and things that they need. Now, if you are looking to start an online business, utilize the same process that the forum owner would use to come up with new products and services. You go into the forum, you partake in the forum. you find various grievances that they have. Some of these grievances will not be feasible for the actual product or service provider to perform. This we're going to call a gap. And what you're going to do is fill that gap with a brand new product or service from your own company. This is actually a great way to come up with ideas for businesses, especially online businesses. And on top of that, once you've developed this business, you can actually come back to the forum and advertise it to these people. This audience is actually very likely to check out your business because, one, they're familiar with you from the forum and you're solving an issue that they themselves said that they had. So of course, they're going to at least check out what your solution is. Okay, so there are essentially now two ways that you can go about getting your own forum. There is the method of using a pre-existing forum platform, or you can actually create your own forum depending on what kind of budget you have and what position you're in. The two most popular forum platforms right now are Reddit and Quora. I use both of them primarily for fun because I'm kind of nerdy that way. But from using them, I can tell you that they're actually pretty good. They have a lot of features that you'd want to manage and sustain your community. On Reddit, you can start a subreddit, and on Quora, you can start a Quora space. They're essentially the same thing, guys. There are drawbacks to this, of course, because you're not going to get anything free for nothing. So on your Reddit subreddit and your Quora space, what you're going to see are ads from Reddit and Quora. And of course, you can't turn them off and you can't get any money from these ads. Only Quora and Reddit will benefit in this way. In addition to this, you are going to be competing with other forums on Quora and on Reddit. So either in the sidebar, in the main feed itself, they are going to be heavily advertising other subreddits and other spaces. Because of course it's in their best interest that this user participates in as many forums as they can. These are the two main downsides to this. Now, let's say you actually have some money and you want to develop your own forum. Here are the benefits of taking that approach. When you create your own forum and add it to your own website, it comes with three main benefits. The first one is that you are basically the god of that forum. You control that space, you set the rules, you don't have to adhere to rules set by Reddit, Quora. You develop your own layout, your own look, your own infrastructure. Everything is tailored to you and the needs of your specific business. The second thing is that you're going to be able to keep these users in your own ecosystem. Remember earlier when I was discussing how they display ads for other forums in their sidebar and in their feed? That of course won't be the case on your forum because that's the only one that exists. The third key way in which you can benefit is through ads. Now Reddit and Quora displays ads on their platform. You can do the same, but the difference is that you can control what ads are displayed and you actually make money from this, not Reddit or Quora. So these are the three key benefits that you get. And in my opinion, these are actually quite large. But of course, this is only a good solution to you if you actually have a website already and you have a budget to create your own forum. Alright, so if you're watching this video and you have a website and a budget, get in touch with me. I will analyze your website and create a forum that's tailor-made to your particular audience and suits your specific business needs. In addition to that, I want to invite you to join my website dojo. It's free, the link is in the description. So that's it for this week. I'll see you in the next video. By the way, like the video as well. Okay, now that's really it.